So I want to show you something about body language right now. Watch, that's a puppy in training, gonna copycat my work dog. Watch when I come open the screen door, watch. See, he went to go forward, he stopped and looked at me. So see how the puppy copycats? And she's the same, and see the French Bulldog? How come nobody's going flying in that door? No. So part of when you're training, people want to be buddies with their dog. You can love your dog, but if you don't lead them, if you're not in charge, the dog will never see you in charge. They'll never come when you call. No, tidy in. No, in. Go, gonna get in. Stop. Skyly, on your bed. Cookie, come. Good girl. Come, good girl, Cookie.